Title: Mastering Power. Key Principles for Effective Management. In the rapidly evolving landscapes of modern workplaces, effective management has emerged as an essential attribute that can drive organizational success. A significant aspect of this effectiveness revolves around understanding, navigating, and effectively applying power dynamics. This comprehensive discourse seeks to shed light on power in management, combining various perspectives from domains such as management psychology, motivational theories, conflict management, leadership styles, and practical workplace applications. The duality of power in management. The notion of power in management often brings forth a dichotomy. On the one hand, it is viewed negatively due to its potential for misuse and abuse of authority. However, it's vital to recognize that power, much like freedom, is a double-edged sword. When wielded responsibly and with understanding, it is a crucial force that allows managers to act, speak, or think without hindrance or restraint, driving an organization towards its goals. The facets and functions of power. Power serves as an indispensable tool in facilitating control, defense, and fostering team cohesion. It empowers managers to guide their teams towards set organizational goals, protect against possible threats, and maintain the team's integrity. A firm understanding of one's power, its source, reach, and limitations, is crucial for managers. This can be augmented through professional courses and training programs, particularly in fields experiencing a skills gap, like information technology in Canada and the USA. Interplay of power and psychology. Power does not exist in isolation. It significantly interacts with the psychology of the individuals who wield it, leading to a myriad of outcomes. Managers attributing their team's success to their leadership might experience an increased sense of self-efficacy and confidence, triggering a positive cycle of performance and reinforcement. Here, principles of positive psychology and motivational theories are profoundly intertwined. However, this dynamic can also pave the way for negative consequences. Unchecked power can give rise to destructive leadership, biased decision-making, and even abuse of authority. Thus, understanding these risks and developing strategies to prevent them is crucial for effective management. Regulating power and fostering trust. The fears regarding power misuse are substantial, warranting focus on power regulation. The implementation of checks and balances, monitoring systems, and control mechanisms can provide a safeguard against power misuse. By transparently communicating these mechanisms to the team, managers can foster trust and cultivate a positive working environment. The role of power in conflict management and negotiation. Power dynamics significantly influence conflict management and negotiation. Managers need to understand these dynamics to navigate conflicts effectively and wield their power responsibly. Especially in high-stakes negotiations, a balanced and transparent use of power can lead to optimal outcomes and improve trust within the team. Inclusive leadership and power. Inclusive leadership, which values and respects all team members' contributions, can counterbalance power dynamics. By promoting an environment where everyone feels valued and heard, managers can foster trust, cooperation, and prevent the misuse of power. Power dynamics in the broader context. Understanding the organization's position within the broader marketplace and the power it wields is another essential aspect of power dynamics in management. Managers must strive to leverage this power effectively to achieve strategic objectives. Adaptability and continued learning. The ever-evolving nature of today's workplaces necessitates that managers remain adaptable and dedicated to continued learning. Keeping up with the latest research and management literature, participating in professional development activities, and incorporating new techniques and tools are critical components of a modern manager's role. In conclusion, power is a critical yet complex tool in effective management. Understanding its many dimensions and the impact it can have on an individual, a team, and an organization can enable managers to foster a more positive, productive, and equitable working environment. This exploration, by integrating insights from multiple fields, offers a comprehensive understanding of power dynamics in management, enabling leaders to better navigate the challenges of today's dynamic and diverse workplaces.